have a whole number and you have a fraction right here. So what I do is I change the 12 to a fraction. So anytime you have a whole number, whether it's 100, 12, or 25, you set it over 1 and then just multiply. So now all you do is 12 times 2, which is 24, and 1 times 3, which is 3. And that's how you multiply a fraction. I'll show you another example.
Are you done with that problem?
Which is 8. But I'm going to be talking about lowest terms like later on.
A good rule of thumb when doing any fractions is to always simplify and says it unless it says otherwise, and you might get one of those problems where it just says leave it without simplifying, but it's always good to simplify your answers.
So, same thing here, you just multiply. So, 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 5, that's 25. It's pretty straightforward when you multiply fractions.
Why over there is 8?
Oh, because you have to fully simplify. So you have 24 divided by 3, and 3 goes into 24 8 times.
Teaching how to also do cross multiply.
Cross canceling.
That's what it's called. So in this case, you multiply this straight across, you would get a really big number or a really big number. So a simpler way to do this is to cross cancel or cross multiply.
No. Cross
No,
cancel.
not cross, cross
Not
cancel.
cross.
Yeah, cross cancel.
That's why I corrected Ruby.
So since both 3 and 21 are divisible by 3, so you divide them by 3. So 3 to 3 becomes a 1, it's a 7, and 21 becomes a 7. And 4 and 16 are both divisible by 4. So the 4 becomes a 1, and 16 becomes 4. So now you just rewrite this over as 1 over 1 times 4 over 7.
When you say something, you spaces already going to have.
Yeah, it's a little.
Maybe do it again
So they
slowly.
maybe just say, 4 divided by 4 is 1, 16 divided by 4 is 1.
So it's only erasing.
Yeah, start
Yeah,
over.
just do it again and slowly.
Okay. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 21 divided by 3 is 7.
And can I
Okay,
say
but
something?
Why are you, dividing the 3?
It doesn't have to be the 3. You could choose any number that
No,
goes
but,
into
okay,
it.
I understand the
Let
part that
her-
you say 4 times 3 is 21, huh? So that's the answer right here, 21. Well,
4 times 3.
Say
why,
that again, 4 times,
4 times 3,
No,
No.
that's division.
that's division?
so what he's
Okay.
doing right now is called cross canceling. Cross canceling is a way for you
to simplify the fractions, because if you had multiplied 3 times 16 times 7, that's gonna give you this huge number. And then at the end of the problem, you're gonna have this really, really big fraction, and you have to simplify it. And it's a lot easier to cross-cancel and simplify as you go, rather than to simplify at the very end where you have a lot more margin for error. So what he's doing is he's showing you how to cross-cancel in order to take that error away at the end, and you'll have a lot smaller numbers to work with. Because working with smaller numbers is a lot easier than working with bigger numbers. So just bear with him for a second, and you'll see what he's doing. He'll do more examples.
So then both 4 and 16 are divisible by 4. So now I just rewrite this entire problem over. 1 over 1 times 4 over 7 times 7 over 10. And the 7s can both be divided by 7 to equal 1. So we get a smaller number. And now you have 1 over 1 times 4 over 1 times 1 over 10. And you see how we're going to end up with a smaller number than we would have multiplied this straight across. So now 1 times 4 is 4.
You do it 10 on the 4th.
Yeah, you can also do it, yeah. So divide this by 2. Divide this by 2. Which will give you 5. And 1 times 5. And 1 times 2 is 2 times 1, you get 2. 1 times 1 is 1 times 5. So you're getting 2 over 5. And that was much easier to do that than to multiply this straight across and get huge numbers.
Can someone actually multiply those numbers and show them what the numerator and denominator would have looked like, please?
So basically, he took out, by cross-canceling everything possible, he took out that, what was it, 3/4?
So it's 3 times 16 times 7.
Actually, it's inspired.
So 336.
Yeah. Oh, it needs a low battery.
See how you would end up with huge numbers.
So if you hadn't cross-canceled and just multiplied that straight across, you would have got 336 over 840. But since we did cross-cancel, and then you would have had to simplify that. And
So that would have
do you
been
guys
there.
know the common factors of that? Because I don't off the top of my head. But since we cross-canceled, we could do it right away and get our simplified answer right away. Do this.
So when you have a number like that, like right at the beginning, when you start the problem, you have to divide it by the smallest number?
But it doesn't matter anything.
You need to do it by a number that they both
You
go
should,
into.
you
Not all
want to
the
do,
time when you have.
It's a common factor. It's called common factor.
Yeah, like if I had here 5 and 25 over here, I would divide by 5 to get 1 and a 5.
Why don't we do another?
yeah.
Maybe with 2 first.
Yeah, the one you did, the first one you did, you could do cross.
Which one?
Just make it.
Yeah, I can do that.
You look way too comfortable back there, Rolando.
Show them the long way and then cross
Well,
cancel.
he already showed
So
them
they
the
see
long way.
difference. Yeah, he already showed them the long way, but so they can see.
So, you see how right here, both 12 and 3 are divisible by 3? So you divide those by 3. You get 4 over 1 times over 1. And you just end up getting 8 over 1, which equals 8.
Which problem number was this?
This is number 39.
Yeah.
That's the same one
So
you
he's-
did before, where you said, how did he get the 8? Yeah, that's the same problem. But see how it's easier that way?
Instead of multiplying everything, you get smaller numbers. That way you don't
That
have to.
makes sense.
That way you don't have to multiply, or divide 3 into 24, because 12 times 2 is 24.
I think this one is just more confusing because it has
It's more
three
numbers,
fractions.
yeah.
But that's kind of even more of a reason to cross cancel, right?
Yeah.
Because otherwise you have even bigger numbers.
And you have at least one problem in your program test that has 3 fractions being multiplied together, so you need to know how to do it.